How's it going, everyone? It's NJTM Track Guy again, and I'm going to bring you one more quick look of One World Trade Center before I do my official update in about a week. So here it is, One World Trade Center. And the parapet steel is up there now, as well as the 4 corner splices are installed as well. The signature beam went up yesterday on One World Trade Center, and now they're just working on the parapet, the roof, and then the antenna or the spire will start. The glass is still working its way up slowly, and Tower 4 is doing the exact same thing. I mean, it was topped out weeks ago, but the glass is inching its way up, and pretty soon it'll be completed. So as the steel finishes off on Tower 1 World Trade Center and 4 World Trade Center, the glass will continue its way up, and eventually the outside of the building will be completed, but there's still many things to do inside. Hopefully, if everything goes on schedule, One World Trade Center will be open in, I guess, late 2013 or early 2014. Alright, so if you look at the top right there, you can see the parapet steel and the corner splices. All the way at the top there. I'm going to go a little further and bring you one more look. Okay, I'm a little further over, and yeah, here's just another look at 1 and 4 World Trade Center. Again, as I said earlier, the special beam went up yesterday on 1 World Trade Center, and the parapet steel is still going up, if not already completed. So for now, they're working on the roof floors. Again, they're just looking good. 1 and 4 World Trade Center are slowly marching to their completion. I'm going to go a little further. Just give you another look. Alright, so yeah, here's another look at 1 World Trade Center and 4 World Trade Center. Both are making good progress. At this time, I have found out that, unfortunately, Towers 2 and 3 are on hold until tenants are found. Tower 3 is on hold at the 8th floor, and Tower 2 is on hold at street level. It may take a little longer than originally scheduled, but I'm pretty sure those buildings will find tenants so they can continue with the construction on those. But until then, we're only going to be looking at 1 and 4 World Trade Center. But I'm pretty sure Towers 2 and 3 will get a go-ahead also. looks like we got a crane holding something over here. At the very edge of the building. Don't know exactly what it is, but alright, so towers 1 and 4. Towers 1 and 4 are slowly working their way to completion. The outside will be complete pretty soon, and then more internal work will be done. Things like air conditioning, heating, just more work internally. I guess all I can say for now. So yeah, just a quick recap. Parapet steel's going up. The special beam was lifted yesterday, and the glass is continuing to rise slowly. And look for my official update in about a week. And I hope you've enjoyed this quick look video. I'm NJT Amtrak Guy. I'm glad you enjoyed.